Every year we bring the Michael Graves College students together for a 3-day event. The overarching title is Thinking Creatively. And the first day is charrette, which is an all-college competition. The second day is a conference with professionals who come to talk about their creative process. And the third day is the Beaux-Arts Ball, which is a tradition in architecture and design colleges.
Let's Shred is an experience for students early in their development of learning their various disciplines to work in a collaborative, interactive environment. This year's challenge is to re-envision the post office.
The students are looking to develop ideas for the post office in the future. So we're looking for new ideas that we can bring back to our postal leadership.
I would say the biggest value of events like this at Kean is the collaboration. We get to talk to our professors, other design students, kind of helps us out in the real world.
So Plus One the Vote was an initiative that was meant to make voting a social experience.
This is my third time coming to Thinking Creatively conference. So basically it's just different designers from different medias, and they talk about their job, how they got there, and the hard work that they've done. But a few of them are actually Kean alumni.
Design is important because, first of all, it's fun, it's creative, it's beautiful, but you can actually do things that can change the world. That sounds kind of corny, but it's true. We can do a lot with it, and it's a job that, isn't just work. It's something that is fun and you're passionate about, while also getting paid for it.
You will never work by yourself as a graphic designer. You always work in a team with other graphic designers and with other disciplines. So it's emulating what is seen in the field and giving them valuable experience so that when they graduate and when they're out there, they can say, yes, I know how to work in a team, I have actual experience, and here's what we've accomplished.